How's it going, bros and alls? Just thought I'd do a short video about the DeSoto starting in winter. Running in winter, actually. Started her up already. You can tell that that's a really quiet engine. We'll walk around. Lots of cleaning and details and that. I should probably do this little test. I get a cup of water. Put it on the car. Oh, never mind. Look at that. Drop there. Doesn't even move. The material looks like. Yeah, it needs lots of stuff done, but there's no rust anymore on this car. Side doors. I got the rear seat. I just removed it because I was going to start fixing it up. I would get down on my back and show you the underneath, but some other time perhaps. There she is. Nicely, except for the fuel gauge that's missing. Alright, let's turn it off. End of it. Told you guys it was going to be a short video. Still needs to be painted and sanded, but it's coming out all right. And like as you can see, there's fenders need to be, the side needs to be attached to the frame. There's it's like a rod that held it there and rotted out. I'm not gonna drive it this time because that's what the front tire looks like. All the lights work. The wiring to the lights is brand new. And you're gonna have to fix this here as well. My initial idea was to put a piece of trim going around here, but I don't think that's gonna look really nice anymore. So I changed my mind. And anyways, you're gonna have to weld like reinforcement here, right? Like thick piece of steel here so that this is nice and straight. Right now it's just like flimsy. Paint is a little bit dirty. As you can see, it's not alright. There she is. 1947 S11 DeSoto. And this does have the fluid drive. There it is. Fluid drive. Yeah, I do have to change these tires, but I'm not going to do it right now because I'm too busy. Anyways, alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now.